So in this video I am going to show you how can we easily break security of your file set in your file manager. I know it's hard, but trust me, it is very easy. Actually, this bug is found by me, really. You can search on internet everywhere, but you can't find this type of trick. So with anyone you can't find this type of trick. I don't know anyone is knowing, but actually I found this bug, really. So let's and one thing more, I don't know it will work on every device, but it will completely work on the device which I am using right now. Let me show you my device model number and the name. You can see that my device is Oppo and the model number is A37FW. So if you have a same device, I know this device is too old, but most of the people are still using this device, so I'm making this video. And the bug is really maybe harmful for many people, so I'm making this video. So let's begin towards our topic. So first of all, we have to download the application by the help of Play Store. So obviously we have to enable our internet, or your phone should be connected with Wi-Fi. So let's enable and let's go to Play Store and download the application whose name is 7zipper. It's a file manager, advanced file manager, and there is a lot of option. You can try everyone, but come on our topic. And after the first time installation and opening of this app, it may ask for some permission, so allow the every permission. And just click on the left side of this three dot and search here for shortcut maker, and just click on that and click on the left side of activity and search here for file manager. And let me show you first of all my file save security. So my file save security, you can see that this is my file save security. I can't access without giving this type of security, and I will show you how this can be break easily. So you can see that this is my security. I can't access without giving this. So just I came here, and so these all are the options. By the help of it, we will generate or create the new one security for our file save without giving the old one security or old one password or pattern. So let me show you how. Just click on anyone and let me show you once again. My file save for security is this one. You can see that I won't be able to access my file save without giving the correct security, but here we will generate a new one directly without giving the old one. So just click on here, any one of them, and enter the same password 2 times for confirmation. It will generate or create a new security for our file save. So I am clicking here and just randomly I am choosing 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and oh, we have entered in file save, and you can see that our file save password has been changed. So this is the bug. I hope you will like it.